Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the hidden features on a Samsung phone called assistant menu. So this is my assistant menu, and from this assistant menu we will get a quick access to some feature easily. And I'm going to show the cursor first. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can activate this assistant menu. So first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Samsung phone. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the accessibility setting. Tap on the accessibility setting, and then you're going to tap on interaction and dexterity. Okay, and here you can activate your assistant menu. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate the assistant menu. And this is the assistant menu I have activated on my Samsung phone. And here you can use the assistant menu to take a screenshot, to show cursor, and so on. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate assistant menu on a Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.